How to install ConnectEBT app. So just tap get and then you'll be able to download it. So something like that. And that's your app. A ConnectEBT app is a fast, secure, and easy way to monitor your EBT available balance, deposits, transaction activity, and select or change your PIN. The app currently supports Arkansas, Delaware, Iowa, some other states. We are excited to bring the support for additional state programs in the near future. To register, enter your EBT card information on the ConnectEBT mobile app or the website. Check your available SNAP or cash balance anytime, anywhere. View your deposits information, view transaction history, select your card's PIN, easy login and registration using biometrics and card scanning. So yeah, here you can see some screenshots. And then yeah, you can just open it up, and then you can create user account, and then you just need to enter your EBT card number or just scan it with the camera. Also, if you want to log in, you can just log in from here. I don't know, there are some errors still, but that's what it is.